All right, guys, 2017 BMW 540i built. Really nice car. Just wait till you guys hear it. We just finished it. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So he's got a custom downpipe, a catted downpipe right there that we didn't touch. Then we did a resonator delete, 3-inch pipe all the way back. Then we did 2.5-inch rear muffler delete with custom Y pipe, as you guys can see. We'll up the valve on this side, and it's open all the way on this side. So when he wants it louder, he can open the valve and get it even louder. But there it is, so it doesn't throw any check engine lights. Custom Y pipe, custom everything. You guys can see that. It's nice and clean. And that's the res delete. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Idle, guys. Right at 98. He's got a what tune? Stage 2 tune? He's got a stage 2 barbell tune too also. That was the cold start for a little bit. Now it's at 84, 85. Still loud. Give it gas. That's the muffler and resonator that we cut off too. Again. That is crazy. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. 117. That's insane, bro. I love it. Again. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Hey, so guys, this beautiful Beamer 540i, if you guys want to follow his build and his craziness, that's his Instagram. Go out over there and tag him and tell him Exhaust Addict sent you. He's going to pull it to 5,000 RPM now. You can hear it spooling. Again. Woo! Do it one more. All right, go ahead and back it up. Very nice. Enjoy it, guys. He's going to give us a drive off. Here we go. 540i BMW. Fully straight pipe with downpipes. Oh, beast mode all the way. What is, oh, you can hear marble. Gunshots.